Can Putin ever be arrested? It has been over a month since the International Criminal Court, or ICC, issued an arrest warrant for Russian President Vladimir Putin for war crimes, specifically for treating Ukrainian children as spoils of war, abducting them from occupied territories and sending them for adoption to Russia. The ICC's judgment holds Putin and Mariam Gigani, Russia's Commissioner for Children's Rights, responsible for the illegal deportation of children from Ukraine to Russia. While the Kremlin acknowledges taking Ukrainian children, it denies the allegations and claims that the kids were taken for humanitarian purposes. But according to Ukrainian President Zelensky, more than 16,000 forced deportations of Ukrainian children have already been recorded. This issue was debated by the European Parliament on Wednesday, the 19th. MEPs stressed that this was an extremely painful and urgent issue and that it was their common moral duty to return Ukrainian children to their homes.
The practice of illegally and forcibly deporting or transferring Ukrainian children to Russian territory is a violation of international law. The issuance of arrest warrants is an important step towards ensuring accountability for those responsible for these horrendous acts.
The EU is supporting the ICC with joint investigative teams and Ukrainian law enforcement bodies in the investigation and prosecution of those responsible for the crimes. However, despite international efforts to bring Putin to justice, it is unlikely that we will see him in handcuffs anytime soon. The ICC is not recognized by Russia and thus has no power to arrest Russian president. He would have to be handed over by Russian authorities, which are highly unlikely to do so right now. However, a future Kremlin leader could choose to do so instead of protecting him. The warrant could also serve to further isolate Vladimir Putin and other Russian officials on the international stage.